Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I told you how to earn money from cryptocurrency. Some are the best tips that we use in our trading and get the profit. So first of all, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that every new video reach on time, you will get benefit from it. So now let's start our topic. Best crypto for beginners. So now guys, here's the tips for beginners. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, here are the 6 tips that you need to follow. Have a strategy for crypto tradings, managing risk, diversity of your crypto portfolio. Be in it for the long term, automate purchase, use trading boards, buying just because the price is low. Going all in. So what is the best cryptocurrencies to mine in the beginning? Monero XMR is the coin that is the best for beginners mine since it can be mined with CPUs. Monero is one of the best privacy minded coins and the blockchains and enhance the non-traceability of the transaction. Do you start crypto for beginners? How to start investing in cryptocurrency beginner guides, understand how the cryptocurrency work, now the risk of investing in crypto, only invest what you can afford. Choose where you can want invest in look forward leaping. Which cryptocurrency is best for to invest in 2021 2021 for beginners? 7 best cryptocurrencies to buy now. The first is, when it comes to invest into a digital currency, what is the best cryptocurrency for beginners? Bitcoin, that is the biggest coin in the world. And the second one is Ethereum. The third one is the Bitcoin Cash. The fourth one is a Litecoin. The fifth is Cardano, that is also called the ADA. Which coin will explode in 2021? Binance coin. This helped the token price increase exponentially in 2021. So that is the tips that you should need to follow when you earn money from Bitcoin. So our topic is end. Now see you in the next video. Thank you.